Today, let's make a simple stir-fried egg with enoki mushrooms. The crispy texture of the mushrooms is so satisfying to bite into. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. Just enoki mushrooms and eggs, so easy. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them well. You can add salt while beating too. Just quickly rinse the enoki mushrooms in clean water. Then squeeze out the moisture and chop them up for later use. Heat the pan, add oil, then stir-fry the enoki mushrooms until fragrant. Sprinkle some salt and pepper for seasoning, then stir-fry until fragrant. Finally, pour in the beaten eggs. Let them set without stirring. Then flip to cook through until done. The enoki mushroom omelette is ready. Just slide it onto a plate and enjoy. This simple and easy homemade dish is clear to everyone, right? With straightforward steps and no complications, even beginners can easily make it. This enoki mushroom omelette has a golden, crispy exterior with a soft and tender inside. Each bite brings together the crunch of enoki mushrooms and the fluffiness of eggs, creating a rich and layered texture. Finished with a hint of peppery saltiness, it's simple yet deeply satisfying. The enoki mushroom omelette has a delightful savory flavor, where the richness of the eggs perfectly complements the subtle sweetness of the mushrooms. A touch of peppery saltiness enhances the taste without overpowering it. Overall, it's a well-balanced, light yet satisfying dish that brings the comforting warmth of home-cooked food. See you tomorrow is a playful nickname for enoki mushrooms due to their tough fibers that often pass through the digestive system undigested and appear in waste the next day. This vivid and humorous nickname makes it quite memorable. But don't worry, enoki mushrooms are still nutritious and delicious when enjoyed in moderation. Enoki mushrooms are rich in dietary fiber, protein, and various trace elements, particularly high in zinc and potassium. They contain unique enoki mushroom polysaccharides, which help promote intestinal motility and boost immunity. Additionally, being low in calories and rich in amino acids, enoki mushrooms are an ideal ingredient for nutritious and healthy eating. Eggs are a nutrient-dense natural food, rich in high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They provide essential amino acids that support muscle repair and growth. Additionally, the choline in eggs benefits brain health, and moderate consumption helps maintain satiety, making eggs an economical and efficient nutritional source in daily diets. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.